Hello my little Lotus Petals, Liza here. Welcome back to my channel. Here's another unboxing video for you. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today we are going to do the Shadowscapes Tarot. Beautiful, beautiful deck. This deck was actually gifted to me by a dear friend, so I am excited to dig into this. I also got the Shadowscapes Tarot artwork book. I actually purchased this from a local metaphysical shop of mine, but I did look online, and if you're interested in this book or the deck, you can find them both on Amazon, or if you're lucky, maybe in a store nearby you. This book only has the Fool Through the World, so it's the major arcana, but it's absolutely beautiful. What the artist does here, Stephanie Puy-Mun-Law, and I apologize if I pronounced that wrong. This is basically kind of like her sketchbook. So she does a lot of, you can see her artwork, her sketches from before she finished the cards. And then, of course, you see the finished work of each card as well. She also gives, it's like a little fairy tale introduction, like a story, if you will, of each card, of what it means to her. And then, of course, the meaning of each card. But what I like about this, too, is that, you know, it goes deeper than just your typical meanings of each card. She tells in her sketching pages what each sketch individually means to her, what the symbolism is, what she equates it to. So it's an absolutely beautiful book. I definitely highly recommend purchasing it. I'll have to look online and see if she has the rest of the cards and not just the majors. I'm not sure if she does or not. I haven't looked into it. If you know, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. All right, here we go. Let's dig into the Shadowscapes Tarot. Okay, so let's open up. It's got a nice, pretty thick cardboard box to it, so that's good. We've got, so the guidebook that came with this deck is just a little paper leaflet, basically. Guess I'm not super impressed with that. That's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. Just kind of gives you a rundown, I guess, of each card. Yeah, that's gives a little one card spread. And so it gives a couple of spreads in here, but I mean, the book, like I said, is just a little paper leaflet, so not too impressed with that. But let's check out the cards. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so not only was the box in a packaging, the cards are in a packaging. Okay, that's different. Oh, this might take me a second. Wow, they're wrapped nice and good, that's for sure. There. Okay, so these are the backs. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Look at that artwork. Right. Now I will do a flip through. The Fool. Sorry, that glare is a little bit much. Oh, I kind of like that. That's neat. These cards are beautiful. I love the colors, the illustration. It's delicate and beautiful. It's like something out of a fantasy. really am loving the artwork and the colors in this deck. They're beautiful. This is a very pretty deck. Okay, so there you have it. That was our flip through of the Shadowscapes Tarot deck. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful deck. I love it. I love the colors. I love the edging, the silver edging on all the cards. I think that's neat. I really love the artwork. It's so beautiful. It's like being in a fantasy fairy tale, right? If you're into things like Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter or anything Disney, really. I really do love The artwork is just so beautiful. The only thing I really didn't like about this deck was the guidebook. It's just a paper leaflet, so I wasn't too impressed with that. But overall, the cardstock is okay. It's not super flimsy, but it's also not the thickest. Other than that, I love this deck. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So if you have this deck, feel free to let me know in the comments. Do you use it regularly? Do you connect well with it? What do you think about the artwork? Please let me know what you think about this deck. If you would like to see any of my other unboxing videos or reviews, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Again, thank you for watching, and until next time, peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.